Hi guys, I'm going to go ahead and begin the Create Database tutorial. We're going to be using ASM, and the script is going to be done manually. Pretty much, my name is Chuck, and on Franklin Faces. If you want to check out more tutorial, you can go ahead and check out our Franklin Faces. And our sponsor is islandartist.com. You can make some money off our website using freelance stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and begin. We'll get right into it and show you the basic steps that we're going to follow. Simple, very simple. I've outlined the script that we're going to be using. We'll go over how to connect to the database, starting it up in Nomad. And after that, we're going to just basically issue the create database statement after we review our P file and the node file. And then towards the end, what I'll do is run the cat process. So if you're looking at the script, if you see there's no data file directly located in the script anywhere, it's strictly going to the disk groups. We noticed that where you're going to be using 3 different disk groups, data G1, 2, and 3. So I'll go through the steps. Let's go ahead and take a look and walk you through this. Basically, I have 2 different profiles set, and one of them is my ASM profile, which goes into my Oracle ASM binaries and my local ASM instance, and then the other one is my database. So if you look, I'm going to go into the ASM CMD command and go through the disk layouts, 1, 2, and 3. And there's a FRA as well. The FRA basically is just flash recovery area. I'm going to go into CD01 and take a look at the directory structure. I'm going to basically wipe it out. Right now I'm going to go look at it and see what's in there. I have a database running in there. That's all the data files you see there. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it out because we're going to start from fresh. I'm going to go ahead and delete each of the disk groups because the database when we created it, it's going to go ahead and create new ones anyway. I'm going to go ahead and delete these. And as we're doing this, I want to just point out that the names of the database is MP433. My ASM instance is Filter Plus ASM. And I have the binaries installed on both separate ones. Go ahead and delete this. Okay. So that's basically the ASM commands within the command line that we'll go ahead and delete. It's like the Unix prompt. You can view them. They made it very nicely. So okay, let's go ahead and look at the init file. Okay, so we have the init file here. We'll go through all the different parameters. Standard, very standard. You get your share tool sizes and all that. You get destinations, background destination, core dumps, and user dumps. Pretty straightforward, standard. We're going to be doing this on 10.203. And notice how the control files, I went ahead and put the actual name of the control files. Throughout this whole tutorial, you'll see that I'm going to use Oracle to manage the names of the data files. Okay. We're going through all these and just looking through them. That's where by default, anytime you create a new table space, that's where the data files are going to reside. These are the 3 for the redo log groups. That's where they're going to be residing. I understand, with ASM, Oracle will manage everything, but I just like to keep it clean. I don't want 3 different groups. Just I'm a little anal about that, and I'll go ahead and put it up and separate them. This is everything will be done by Oracle. Here's my flash recovery. Basically, that's the size of my flash recovery area. And these are pretty much my targets, my undos, 16K size. Pretty straightforward, standard parameters that most everybody wants to configure. I'm sure yours will be different based on your different environments, so feel free to change these. This as long as related to 10G. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my environment. I told you MP433 is my database, and let's just go ahead and SQL plus into the database. I've also wanted to let you know that I opened up another window on the side. And I'm going to put the alert log as a tail so that you can see what's going on in the alert log and not have to be questioning as to what's going on in the back end. I always like to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and issue the no last. Hey guys, to continue watching this video, please visit our website at www.franklinfaces.com, which is sponsored by our grand sponsor, IamAnArtist.com, where you can make money using freelance services. So again, please go ahead and finish the video at franklinfaces.com. Thank you.